very important for all of us. Yes, yeah, over to you.
Okay, the Rajan, the entire 6 sessions were of great learning, and it was a relearning for me because a few of the things which I could learn is that probing is a must with the customer, and that problem situation and handling the situational questions and problem questions is what I need to learn more with respect to the what we have learned. And in this, what I would request you is that if we can have a set of questions wherein we can probe the customers, I think that would benefit us more.
Yeah.
Hi, sir. Sir, program was good actually. What I feel is I have written you the mail. In case if after being in sales for 6-7 years, if this was before, then there was lot of changes would have happened actually. Because and this is the what feedback. And after attending this training, I could see the difference actually. Means even today, if we are going with any senior, even they do the same mistake what we were doing before. Like what is the requirement, asking direct requirement. So now when customer is talking, we should listen, and what we should know the need. We should differentiate what is the need, clear need or no need, like that. That and all was new for me actually. So even problem questions and all, it's a very new. Just sale means, yeah, we have a product, we have to sell. That is what maximum things means. We think actually this is a product, we are best, so we have to sell, and we are the best, and all was very common mistake what I was doing actually. So this.
Thanks for this opportunity. So I also understood what is the need, clear need, what is the abstracting everything, and how to ask questions. And if there is no need, also how to withdraw gently, and that also is a key point. There is no need we have to withdraw gently, and I learned about how to give feedback. This also helps me to. My subordinates, I can how to say what are the things, good things in them. So this one I have done. And how to make the introduction about our company with facts and figures. Thanks, man.
Sir, actually, throughout the sessions, there was many things to learn. We do generally follow many things, but not as per the strategy or something, nothing like that. So now there is a protocol kind of thing, so where we can plan how to face a customer. So how to judge a customer, how we can build the trust, whether we should qualify or not, whether we should invest our time here or not. Those always we learn. And also the importance of the value, to increase the value of the customer, so that he could be able to think about our product with a higher price.
Fantastic.
Yeah.
Thank you.
How to connect to the right person? That is the first question. And
no, so what was it that you asked the client? See, what they are saying, what Anurag said, what Ratan just said is that what we require is a little question.
Like
Good, Krishna. How would you convert this into a question?
I'm here to explore the possibility of us working together in the near future. This is the question that I
convert it into a question. Actual question mark at the end must come out. Just think this, exactly what you said. Just convert that into a question.
Sir, I am here to explore the possibility of us working together.
Can we explore?
Can we explore?
Yes.
Is it possible
How
that
can we explore?
Personally, that I attend more and more sessions of yours, because I found out about Paradigm through LinkedIn. Then I texted Mr. Rajan and asked him about the sessions. And the main thing that I learned, that is the lingo that he told me on the second day. That, you know, converting any negative to positive, then asking questions. Then the mistakes that we do, TAG, tell, ask, guess. That is a mistake I've been practicing since 3 years that I've started my career. I used to guess that this is what you will be expecting. Hota hi nahi, sir. And asking questions in a refined way. Because, you know, मैं ये लाए आप ये मैं आपको दूंगा. Asking in a refined way is, क्या आप लोगे क्या, मेरे पास ये है सर, मेरे पास ये है. Will you take it? This is the whole thing. And sir, I would very much like to join the next session of yours. Just do let me know if you have any, you know, this thing, the portal that I can follow and join.
Yeah.
Yes. And I am in that last 10 year in the sales, but normally that practice I am going to the customer, asking their need and what they want. Like that only I am asking the question. Now I learned from you that first asking to customer to allow to speak. And we are asking the relevant question of that what they are needed, and we can clearly get that what their requirement, and build the relationship with the small talks, and ask leading question. That is today I am getting learning that leading question is very important for the final, and indirect question also that I am learning today.
Hello.
Yeah.
Hello. Am I audible, sir?
Yes, you are audible.
Yeah. It was one of the excellent sessions, sir, because most of the time we follow regular sales when we visit to customers, because we tend to miss few of the simple steps, like greeting him and naming him, and some of the words which we don't want to, which should not be used, will be used by a sales call, like the best, I understand, you have some. These are the things which should not be in the process.
Yeah.
And when we tell to customer, like we should we should communicate the customer so that specifics to the customer, so that it will create a value, and which will lead to building the relationship and everything, so that we can have the value proposition when we sell the product.
Much Rajan and Daniels. Because of all these 6 sessions, now everybody told about the learning part and all these things. The most important part what I have learned is who is the illiterate of the 21st century. So that is the takeaway from all this program, along with other parts. And more of like in sales, we assume more than the reality. That is the fact. So instead of assuming through all this WS type question, we should know the reality, what exactly the needs, then the what exactly requirement of the customer. Through that we can, I think, achieve a lot of things than the normal sales. So yeah, this is the takeaway for me. And yeah, most important is listening part that I was personally lacking. I think listening more than the customer is definitely not going to lead to the better part. So yes, that is the important part for me.